Hello guys, welcome to my channel Legit Online Earning, and today I'm gonna show you the price prediction of Centric Cash CNS. As in the last video I show you my balance and the predictability of the how you can earn $85 a day if you stake 100,000 CNRs. This is it. And so today I'm gonna show you, I will try to predict the price of Centric Cash to my best of technical analysis. So I have drawn some support and resistance levels. I'm gonna check it again if we are on daily chart from the Probit exchange, because it was first listed on the Probit exchange. So here we are. If we go back from the initial days of this project's Centric Cash, so let me first cross check the levels I draw, so that I can confirm that if there is any points missing. So yeah, it's the good level, key level, because here you can see the price touch. And let me show you where is the pen tool. Let me check it. Brush. Okay, you can see here, let me off this color. You can see here white color. Here you can see this is a strong rejection. This is a strong rejection, and after it crossed below this level of 0.005, it retested again. So we can say that this is a strong point, as well as the above this point is as well. This is a strong point as well, which is 0.006. If we move up, we can see here, after crossing after breaking through this support level, it went down to this level, 0.005, and it went up to retest the previous resistance, the previous support. Okay, so the price always move in directions. The price always moves in direction like this. It made the lower low, then it made the lower high, then it went down to it was in the downtrend, and then it tested this level where the period of consolidation was moved on. This was a distribution period. After that it went down to this level, and after that it went on to the accumulation zone. You can say it went on and on. We can move on. It was in the accumulation zone. So let's see here. Let me, don't get confused, these are the levels I have drawn. So let me, and also I have drawn the Fibonacci level. This was the lowest. Okay, fibs are always drawn from the lowest points. So this was the, let me more zoom in it. Here you can see the 0.0008. This was the lowest point. Okay, and these are the EMAs drawn here. So after testing the EMA 51 EMA, it went down. Okay, the EMAs were consolidating. It was it were congesting. The EMAs were congesting at this point. Let me draw the box tool where it is. Okay, rectangle. In this area it was it was in consolidation phase. Okay, because the EMAs were converging, and soon the movement was expected. So you can see the volume here in this candle here. It started to rise once the 13 EMA crossed above the green EMA, which was 26, and the 51. The price broke through the first resistance level, which was the 37. Okay, so after crossing, let me draw the where it is. Okay, brush tool. Okay, now see, when it went through this level, okay, it broke through this level of support here, it went up to this level 89, okay, then it retested back here again. You can see here it retested again, then second time it retested right on, you can see the 13 EMA just here. You can see how accurate is the 13 EMA. Then it tested this EMA, then it went up again, okay, short of the new resistance from 89, then it again retested from here. So we can call that this was a good level of support. So it retested twice at this point, okay, and then it was tested twice. This resistance area, this area, okay, this area was tested twice, okay, on third attempt, okay, on the third attempt it broke through, okay, it broke through with a good volume. Here you can see the volume was good, it went up. So we were now this level of 89 was broken on the third attempt, and it became the support, because whenever a level is broken, whether it is support or resistance, then it becomes the reverse or the opposite of the other. Here in this case, this level was a resistance level earlier, but once it broke, then this level became the resistance, this level became the support. Now the volume was good, it went straight up, okay, it went up and crossing the 190 EMA. You can see here 190 EMA. It means that we are in the bullish trend, we are now in the bullish rally, okay, because all the EMAs have been crossed, and you can see here as well that red is about to cross, and once it crosses above, it's going to be a wild ride upward. So what happens after that? Also, let me show you, this was the level, okay, 0.786 Fibonacci level. Here you can see, okay, this level is very important. You can see right in at this level the price stopped and it retested, or you can say it was in the consolidation phase in this area for a few days, okay, and there is another level drawn above this level. It was not as major, but this was the major level of Fibonacci. So it retested, and once it broke, it went down to retest, then went up, retest, then broke through on the third attempt. And then you see the level between the two levels, just check it here, okay, the level between 2 points of Fibonacci level 0.786 and 0.618, it went just like that. You can see here it verifies the Fibonacci level, okay, it went through straight from this candle to right on the golden point. This is even called, we can call this a golden level. Whenever 0.618 level is touched, it shows that a new entry level should be taken, or is it the asset is in the bullish move. So once this level was broken, or it was retested, as you can see 0.0205, it's also in the back dates. We can see this, yeah, you can see one rejection here. These are the consolidation phases. So this is key point here. We can say that this is 0.00205 is a key level. This area or this region, we can call that this is a demand zone for now, for these days, maybe for few days, maybe this one, okay, we can call this area to be the demand zone. So once it broke through this level, it went up again, okay, let me show you, it went again straight up, okay, straight up, crossing the 0.5 level. It was also a Fibonacci level, it crossed up, broke through this resistance, broke to this resistance, and it stayed to almost 0.382. okay, it went to that. After that, when the price opens from here, the price opens from here, it went down to this level. As I told you, the demand zone, it tested this level, then again it moved up and tested the top of the Fibonacci level, this one 236. Then it again come back here, then it retested this level, which is 360. You can see that the levels there, the price is only fluctuating in between the levels, and they're touching the levels, that's it. The price is not staying in between. Okay, so these are the key levels. You can say some are the major, some of the minors. So you can say right now what it is going on here is, because this level, again let me show you this level which I have drawn here, okay, the demand zone, we can say that price may retest because it has, this level has not been tested. Also we can say, if in worst case, we can also say that this level has also not been retested. So we can say if the price falls below this level, we may see retest to this level as well, because it has not been retested. So a level should be tested in order to move in a healthy price condition. So right now I'm seeing that we may see that price may fall to 0.00205 here in this area, okay, this area, and after that we may see a pattern like this. If it's in a bullish trend, as it is, because the 200 EMA is about to cross, it's whenever 200 EMA is below all the EMAs, it means the price is in bullish trend. So this red EMA, which is 51, that needs to close above, it should go above the 190 EMA. So we may see consolidation for a few days, or maybe a retest from here, and from there we can see the price in a making higher highs, lower lows, higher high, lower low, higher low, sorry, higher high, lower low, and we're gonna move on like this, and we may see some consolidation phases as well, and after that we may see some retest, as well as we have to look for the major points of resistance. Here we can see, just let me go back, this point is very important here, this point, because it was tested only first time. So we may see a rejection after reaching to this level. We might see some rejection from this level. Here you go, this level. So in order for the price to get healthy price action, it has to retest this level, and we may see then move up. So reaching to that point, it requires 1 to 2 months maybe, but it is going to happen in the few days. So keep keep your CNRs in the staking, so that you can earn a lot of CNS. And this is a good project, solid project, Centric Rise, Centric Cash, and they have a good team, good roadmap. So in coming days we may see, maybe in a month or two, we might see this all-time high can be maybe breached in coming 1 or 2 months. So because you can see the price is making the, if I delete everything, let's see, you can see the price is making a nice U shape. Okay, U shape is due. So we might see here, and then from here we have the lowest, the nearest resistance would be here. So we might see a cup and handle type shape here, this one. Okay, from here we can see the price is gonna move from there. We can see that it's going to be, we might see the price might fluctuate or sometime in this area. Okay, after consolidation we might see the price might go above anything would be a new high, and after that we can see a consolidation, or maybe we can see a retest to this level. Okay, this level, and that's how I'm predicting. Then we might see some trend move sideways, maybe gonna make some head and shoulder pattern or things like that, and we can go like this. So price can't go vertically, it moves, in the cycles. It makes high highs, then it makes retest the new levels, and that's the end. And we're gonna read the consensus by might be what's the date here? Sorry, I'm very off. Okay, by the end of the year, the CEO has said in his Twitter account that in his tweet that we're gonna reach 0.20 cents by the end of this year. So we are hoping, I hope as well, that this price is going to reach by the end of this year. So stay tuned with this project, support the project, follow them on Telegram, social links everywhere. This project is going to rock in coming years. So that's all from my side. Take care of yourselves. Bye.